Hello everyone, I'm Daisy from Hikvision. Right now I'm standing in front of the docking area of an industrial park warehouse. As a hub where materials and goods are distributed day in, day out, warehouse docks usually require strict management with high security standards. First, warehouse managers need to have an overall situational awareness of the entire area while keeping an eye on the details of operations or potential risks. Second, just as with anywhere valuable assets are gathered, a warehouse is prone to property loss. So, how does Hikvision help meet these challenges? It's our next generation PTZ camera, the TandemVu PTZ. As you can see, the field of view in one TandemVu PTZ camera covers the entire docking area. While the bullet lens locks onto the big picture, the PTZ lens allows you to zoom in on details, like, for example, the license plate of a truck that is loading goods. It provides a way to verify docking operations remotely. Even at night or in areas with only dim environmental light, the camera provides colorful video, making sure that every detail is captured at any moment. Well, the TandemVu PTZ is a perfect security solution for warehouse docks because of its wide coverage and 24/7 excellent imagery. If you want to know more about the TandemVu PTZ, please visit Hikvision.com. Thanks for watching. See you next time.